Okay, let's look and see how you found your answers, if they match with mine or not. All right, so we have Dulcala asked the players on her softball team to vote for their favorite color. The picture graph shows the number of players who voted for each color. So we have our picture graph here and that tells us each our favorite colors. So we have red, green, blue, and purple. Down here we have a key. Did you remember to look at your key, or did you get mixed up and forget? Because each triangle stands for 3 players. So how many people voted for red? 3, 6, 9. How many voted for green? 3, 6, 9, 12. Blue. I'm going to show you a different way because this is the way I think about it. I think 2 times 3 equals 6. So how many people voted for blue? 6. Purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3 is 15. So how many people voted for purple? 15. All right, let's look at number 1. How many players voted for green? Green, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we have to remember each triangle is 3 players. So it's not 4. Were you one of the ones that got confused and chose 4? If you did, let's talk about how 4 is not the correct answer, because there's 4, but each one stands for 3 players. So we have to think 3, 6, 9, 12, or 4 times 3 is 12. So how many players voted for green? 12. Number 2, how many fewer players voted for blue than purple? This one's a little bit tricky because you need to find out how many was voted for blue and how many voted for purple. So blue was 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Purple is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3 is 15. So how many fewer players? Fewer is a little key word right there, meaning subtraction. So I have to think minus. What am I going to minus? Am I going to subtract 6 minus 15? Can I really do that? No. So I need to reverse the numbers and think 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is 9. So how many fewer players voted for blue than purple? 9 players. All right, number 3. How many votes did green and purple get all together? Let's see, green is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 3 is 12. And purple, well, we know purple was 15 from our last question. So how many votes did green ooh, there's our key word. We're going to add green and purple all together. So green was 4, 6, was 12, and purple was 15. So what is 12 plus 15? 12 plus 15 is 27. Did you get 27 for number 3? All right, that's how I got my answers.